Sometimes when the pages are not yet developed, but you need to write your structure completely as you already know the feature and how the flow would be, it's better to write the complete structure ready, and later you can put the XPath of the elements or any of the locators available. Okay, so for now just leave it as blank, and now we know that we need to enter something on the page. Okay, enter something in the search bar. So for that we will write a public method called public. Method name will be like input search bar. Okay, search bar, and here we know that we will be sending some values. This method will not return anything, so we'll be using void keyword input search bar, and we'll be passing here a string parameter, okay, for search param. Okay, and then we know that the Selenium has an inbuilt method called send keys. Okay, but Serenity is written on top of Selenium, so it also have a set of different methods. So when you just type here input search bar and dot, you can see type, there will be a method present. So let's use this method type and pass this value, and we know that after typing we need to also enter, so let's better use type and enter at the same time. Type and enter, and then we'll just pass this value and close it. So this method will be public, and we can use this any point of time in anywhere we need this. So this is the way we have to define our page objects. And as you can see, we also using the encapsulation here. We are keeping our elements the private, okay, and only the public methods will be accessible outside the class. So in the next video I will show you how to test this, okay, and how to use these methods in the step definitions. Okay, one more thing, we'll be using the list, right? We need to reiterate to the list of all the elements, all the suggestions. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll just write one more find by. Here also we'll be using the XPath. Okay, just assume that the page is not yet ready and we are not sure about the elements. We'll be using private. Okay, here we'll be returning a list of suggestions. Okay, so in this case we will need to use list of element facade, and then we'll be using here as a list, okay, of suggestions. Okay, so list is not here, so we need to just alt enter. You can see all this Java util. Yeah, import this. We know that we need to also test that all these suggestions contains the key, right? So what we have to do here is we write one more method again, public void verify the suggestions. Okay, anyways, these methods just for readability purpose, so you can use any name, whatever you like. String, okay, search, expected search parameter, expected string. Okay, and here what we'll do is, so now we need to iterate through all the suggestions and find out if every suggestion contains the word or the keyword that we have searched for, and if it is not present, just fail it at the same time. Okay, so what we will do is we will use a for loop here. Okay, and we'll use for each string, okay, suggestions. But one thing here, see, the web element, we will be getting list of suggestions, and this is kind of web element facade. So what we have to do is we have to go to that element, okay, and then we need to get the text out of it or any of the value or parameter that we need to check. Okay, so what we do is for all web element facade suggestion, okay, in web element facade already elements present here, list of suggestions control V. What we will do is